when is the best time to prune a plum tree? Thank you, and this is Richard from Greenville. So, I know you like that.
I like that one. That's easy. That's easy, short and sweet.
I know you like that.
Late winter, early fall. I mean, late winter, early spring.
Yeah, there you go.
Not fall.
Not fall.
Not now. You know, late winter, around the 1st of March.
Right.
Best time.
And how would you prune a plum tree?
Prune a plum tree just like you prune a peach tree or a nectarine with an open-centered system. Ideally 3 to 4 main scaffold limbs. You know, open it up so that your cover spray can get in there, and so that it'll dry out and it'll inhibit some of the fungal growth maybe.
Late winter, early spring.
Late winter, early spring, around the 1st of March.
Right.
You know, you need to go, right now all you need to be doing is oiling your pruning shears, sharpening them a little bit, and then just sit there on the shelf and just kind of look at them over the winter time. But leave them alone.
Just look at them?
Leave them in there.
Leave them on the shelf? All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.